This is Fluency Module 5, Lesson 6, and we're going to continue what we did yesterday in Fluency, except this time that you're going to draw it yourself. So we'll work through the first one together, and then I'm going to have you pause on each new screen and see if you can do it yourself, and then come back and check in. So first thing we're going to do is say the fraction, and our fraction is 1/3. We're going to draw a model to show 1/3. So we are going to draw 1/3. Okay, and let's see, we will show 1/3. I'm trying to decide the best way to do this because I'm not certain that you'll be able to see over my coloring here, but there's 1/3. And then the next thing we're going to do is draw a horizontal dotted line to decompose 1/3 into an equivalent fraction. We have a 2 on the top, so I'm going to divide that into 2. So if we continued that all the way through, we would have 6 parts. So 1/3 is equal to 2 out of those 6 parts that we just drew. So 1/3 is equal to 2/6. All right, I want you to try it yourself in the next one. We're going to start with 1/2, and we'll draw the model to show 1/2, and then a horizontal dotted line to decompose 1/2 into an equivalent fraction. So we're going to start once again, and we'll divide it in half, and then we're going to show 1/2. So obviously my coloring there isn't perfect, but you get the idea. Now we have to divide that 1/2 into 2 parts because I have a 2 here in my numerator. So I'm going to divide that, and now I have 2 parts there. And if I were to continue that to those right there, then you can see that I actually have 4 parts. So I have 2 of those 4 parts that are shaded. Hopefully this is starting to come. It's a little bit tricky. Once you get it, I think you'll see, oh, that actually makes a lot of sense. So pause the video, do this one with the 1/4, and then come back. All right, we are working with 1/4, so I will draw my model. I'm going to divide it into 4 parts. I'm doing the best I can. Each of those is representing 1/4, and I am going to show 1/4. So here is my 1/4. I'm going to now draw the horizontal dotted line to decompose that into, again, we've got a 2 here, so I'll divide it into 2 parts. And then if I were to continue, then you can see that I would actually have 8 parts, and I have now shaded 2 of those 8. So 1/4 is equivalent to 2/8. This last one is going to get a little bit trickier, but still similar. So we're going to divide our model in 1/5. So I want you to draw yours while I'm drawing mine. And we will do 1/5. And we have to show that 1/5. I'm going to change the color up a little just for something different. All right, and then we're going to divide that, but this time we're going to decompose 1/5 with 2 horizontal dotted lines. So we're going to divide it into 3 parts. So 1, and then we've got 3 parts there. And if you've already done the math, you know that now, instead of 5 parts, we have 15 parts. So 1/5 is equivalent to 3/15. And that is the end of our fluency for today.